One little discrepancy I found on this, basically, this part here, if you cut B05, this part right here, which I cut, this part and this part are technically one part if you use it on your plasma table or you have somebody cut it for you. So just be cognizant of that. I actually ended up wasting a little piece of steel, which is not a big deal, but everything counts. And Schaefer, your little joints there as well. I used the Fireball square, I got the mini here. I got them all actually, except I painted them all, obviously. So, chamfered the joint as well. I took this square, made sure this thing was straight up parallel on this, right? I'm sorry, perpendicular to this or whatever. From put it here onto this. Sorry if you can't hear, to this. So it's pretty daggone good, in my opinion. But doing a little bit of welding distorts it. And then this little piece here, I kind of giggle because I'm looking at it going, what are you really going to do? Like, you little teeny thing, I get I can put a little weld there, a weld here. I'll put a little piece on that. I haven't cut anything for this yet because I really didn't cut much of the 10 gauge stuff because it's so thin. But let me finish welding the rest of this up. I literally just tacked it all on there, obviously. Let me get it all welded in. It's where the motor obviously sits, so I'm going to make sure that it's pretty daggone on there. I'm going to make sure I throw kind of quite a bit of weld at it. So let me get back at it. This little plasma cutter back here has been one of probably the best purchases I've made in a long time after the HGPs. This thing's got the onboard air compressor. Some people are like, it sucks, it's whatever, it's what. Shut up. Like, it is absolutely awesome. I've used it, I've pretty much been abusing it. And I've been abusing it in the sawmill stuff as well that I've been doing. But if you want like just quick cut, quick move on, that kind of crap, this is great. Little engine that could, basically. I have been beating the piss out of it, so yeah, it is what it is. So enjoy that. Anyways, look at that on the saw. Yeah. There you go. So, that's it. It's done. I'm going to clean up this edge. It's 5 3/4, I think is what total length on this one has to be. So let me get it cut real quick. I mean, just buttery. It really is. I gnarled the shit out of it here because, well, I gnarled it pretty good. Because I'm not the greatest with it yet. So. I like it too. So you turn it off. I'm noticing this is like a much more common thing. Turn it off. Still running. Let it do the cycle down. And it turns itself off. I love that. Like, I absolutely love that. But I don't know. Yeah, this is what it is. That. Hold it, kinda. has to be at a 45-degree angle. So I gotta hit this at a 45. Whoops, sorry. So hit this at a 45 right here, and then I've gotta, I gotta do a funky little cut there. So gotta knock that out too. So let's get that going. I don't like grinding. I don't.